Hi, I'm Martin Rodriguez with Prospect Mortgage, and I'm sending you this video email here on behalf of your real estate agent who wants you to have the most up-to-date and current information as it relates to real estate finance and the world of real estate. Again, I'm putting this together because there's been some developments and some recent changes in this second week here of December, where we're starting to see volatility in the mortgage bond market. And what that means is that we're seeing the pattern being broken of low interest rates. I'm sure you've heard by now, if you've been on the market looking for a home, that interest rates have been at all-time lows for the past several months. In fact, most of 2010, we've seen rates well below the 5% mark, 4.5%, and in some cases even below that. But with the recent changes in the bond market and some of the political actions that have occurred and a few other economic forces, we're starting to see the interest rates starting to move up. How quickly they move up is still yet to be unknown, but typically the mortgage bond market moves about 25, maybe 30 points on a given day, and we've given up about 200 basis points in the last 3 days alone. So as you can see, it's a very distinct marker that tells me as a mortgage professional that I need to call my clients, lock in their rates, because we're likely to see rates move up from here and not really retreat back to those low fours. So while I wish that was the case, it's important that you understand the rates are moving up. We're still below 5. We still have some great opportunities out there, but I think that the longer we wait and the more we get into the first quarter of 2011, the more the likelihood is that rates will go up above 5. Having said that, that doesn't mean that you can't get an excellent interest rate and that you can't get something still in the low fours. There are some strategies that may come into play that might allow you to take advantage of something like that. There's a program that I've discussed with several of the realtors that I work with that allows us to ask for closing cost concessions to be applied to subsidizing you, the buyer's interest rate, for the first couple years of a loan. So say, for example, interest rates were to go up to, say, a 5.5%, the subsidy that we would pick up from the seller would allow a discounted interest rate for you for the first couple years of your loan, where you can get into a loan at, say, 3.5% as opposed to 5.5%. So there are creative options out there. There are strategies. Not everything is for all clients. The important thing here is that we work together, that we work with your agent, with myself, and you to come up with a solution that will allow you to get into the housing payment that fits you best and that you understand what's going on in the real estate market. Again, if you have any questions, please give me a call. You can always reach me at 661-244-5896. And I certainly look forward to serving you, and I want to wish you and your family a happy holiday season as well. Thank you for your time, and have a great evening.